तो हम जा रहे हैं जिम एंड काफ़ी बिजी डे आज क्योंकि मेरे पापा का भी बर्थडे है, बट हमें अभी पता नहीं कि रात को हमें जाना है उन्हें विश करने या नहीं, बिकॉज ही इज़ नॉट एट होम. बट अदर देन दैट आई माइट बी गोइंग फॉर शॉपिंग एंड आई टेक यू अलॉन्ग. देखते हैं कि कुछ पसंद आता है. बिजी वीकेंड. I know I look pissed off here because I am. जिम में जैसे ही गए पता चला वहाँ पर कोई ACs एंड फैंस नहीं चल रहे थे. So here is me reaching out to Ravish for emotional support. Then I came back to the car and sat down, cooled off, listened to some music while I waited for him. And this guy enjoyed his workout. इसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा, but good for him, not good for me.
Triceps करी.
After that shit show of a gym session, I am finally going out with the MIL and we're going to go shopping and maybe to the dentist afterwards. But I realized why I was in such a horrible mood. It was because of the weather. It was raining all day yesterday and today it was so humid. Worst weather ever. Humidity cancelled. I also realized that my hair is looking like a ball of fur. That is also due to the weather. So I hate humidity within my core. But also, I am lucky to have found this invention, whatever this is. It's called a wax stick. Beautiful product. Because I used to wonder how girls used to get such slick hair, and now here I am. Hack is to use a toothbrush. How cool and convenient is this? Thank you, Wax Stick. Not sponsored, but they need to sponsor me. I also know that there are some new ones in the market, I think by Moxie Beauty. So, but I got it before they even launched that. This is from Amazon. Another little beauty hack that I got to know of right before my wedding was to use a brown liner instead of a black one. This is brown. I don't know if it's visible, but such a game changer. I'm going to be putting it off camera because it's really tricky to put it on here. So I'll just show you. Even though I wear glasses, it makes me look very put together but natural instead of that harsh black. Last but not the least, some lipstick. This is Meher by MAC. Absolutely favorite. And also very natural again. That's it. And I'll just put on some jewelry and then I'll head out. Give me a minute. I was just picking out my bag when I got this monster, Labubu Boo. My boo boo got this Labubu for me from the claw machine, of course. And safe to say, it's way better. Guys, we built this new little closet because my clothes were taking all the space. Oh no, can't show you that yet, but my clothes are already in it. The point of this was that Ravish will keep his clothes in it, but he has yet to keep anything in it. He's still holding up all the space in the previous closet. But my shoes stay here with me. Let's pick some shoes. OOTD, no feet pics, sorry. But I'm such a one shoe for an entire year kind of person. I hate to change shoes because I like comfortable shoes so much. And when I find the comfortable ones, I stick to them. So The ones that I'm wearing right now, I've been wearing them for almost a year now. Can we appreciate these beautiful plants that we got? Some of the new leaves are already showing up, but we're trying to keep them indoors and they're thriving in the AC. Love it, love it. Here I am at West Side, of course, and I don't like this outfit a lot, but my mother in law definitely got a few really good items. Then we went to the dentist, and it's always daunting. The dentists scare me, and I'm just waiting. But here is my mother in law, so cute, showing her new clothes to us. And Ravish is just telling her that all the clothes look beautiful. She got some really nice, easy breezy kurtas. I love this yellow one specifically, and one pair of footwear as well. This is my daily Coke Zero time. Wow. Oops. Love that sound. देखा क्या हुआ? Sorry, not sorry. सुबह जिम पगलू एंड शाम को चिप्स पगलू. ये है ट्रीट का पैक है. इसमें 4 हाइड एंड सीक के पैक हैं, बट विथ फिल्ड क्रीम. ठीक है, मैंने अभी खाया है ये वाला. कौन सा ये? ऑरेंज. बट इसको खा के एक चीज ये रियलाइज हुई है कि जो इसके अंदर की क्रीम है पार्ले की है. तो पार्ले के जो ऑरेंज क्रीम बिस्किट्स आते थे, वो क्रीम इन्होंने रीपर्पस कर दी है इन हाइड एंड सीक, क्योंकि उन्हें पता है कि मिलेनियल्स ने बचपन में वो खाई है, अब वो हाइड एंड सीक खाते हैं बिना क्रीम वाले, तो उनको डबल धमाका दो. इट्स इट स्लैप्स.
बट अब बस एक फ्लेवर रह गया, बता कौन सा?
इलायची. Then we had dinner, and this is us enjoying our post dinner little something dessert.
तो ये मंगवाया हमने नाइका से, इसको पैक में रख देते हैं. ये है कि क्या गॉज मशीन का बैग है ये.
गेज मशीन.
सॉरी, गेज मशीन का बैग है ये. एंड दिस इज मोर लाइक ऑफिस का
पर ये
बैग.
किसके लिए है?
सो या ये पापा के लिए बर्थडे गिफ्ट आया. से एकदम बढ़िया फील आ रहा है. इसमें पैसे पुहे रखने हैं, डॉक्यूमेंट्स, लैपटॉप. ओह, देयर इज अ सीक्रेट पॉकेट एज वेल. छोटा सा पॉकेट है, अंदर भी 2-3 सेक्शंस है. अच्छा बैग है.
मेन गिफ्ट बाद में दिखाएंगे.
मेन गिफ्ट बाद में है.
एक मिसहैप हो गया है, इसका जो स्ट्रैप है वो आया ही नहीं है. व्हाट टू डू. वी हैव चेक्ड द पैक
तो चाहिए यार, ऐसे कैसे? कहीं है ही नहीं, किसी पॉकेट में भी नहीं है.
अब
बिना इसके तो यार फिर अब ठीक है. आई नो आई डिड दिस बट ऐसे भी तो पहन सकता है इंसान, ऐसे भी पहन सकता है.
I think Ravish ki outfit was looking really cool that day, so I asked him to show me a little OOTD before he leaves for his work. Yes, I know I'm wearing the same t-shirt as yesterday, but looking at this yellow color, I'm reminded of Son Papdi and how underrated it is. It was my binge dessert growing up, and don't come for it. I know some of you hate Son Papdi, but I give it A+. Am I Son Papdi? Yes. Because I'm not everyone's cup of tea, or I'm not everyone's dessert. I am only understood by some. Elite people can understand. Something to ponder upon. The older you get, the quicker you realize that skincare solves half of your problems. Smells good. I like this clay mask. Very calming and soothing. But glasses gang, give me a +1 because can't see shit without it. Wow, she has showered. मेरा जो everyday skincare routine है after I have showered and washed my face is mostly only a moisturizer and a sunscreen and a little bit of lip balm. बहुत ज़्यादा extreme skincare मेरे को इतना पसंद नहीं है and I try to do a little face massage. Why am I always doing like this? I don't know. I thought that starting today I will not be having any sugar or snacks. But when hunger strikes, what do you have? एकदम से कैसे छोड़ा जाए स्नैक्स? क्या खाऊं? ओट्स मुझे नहीं खाने, फ्रूट्स मुझे नहीं खाने. What do people eat? I am a hangry monster. आउट ऑफ कंसर्न रविश ने मुझे बोला है डोमिनोज खाएगी. ये क्या हेल्प हुई? क्या हेल्प है ये? आई लाइक द सजेशन बट क्या हेल्प है इसमें? ओके सो आई हैव सेंसिटिव स्किन ओके एंड इन दिस समर हीट I get rashes very easily. It's the weather's problem, not my problem. So last night I was googling stuff about what I can eat or drink so that my skin remains cool and quenched. So there are a few things. तो मैंने मंगाया थोड़ा सामान and I ordered it. Haul time, grocery haul. So I'll show you कि मैंने क्या मंगाया. This is not sponsored. This is just regular stuff that I ordered for the home and for this specific thing also. The first one was obviously coconut water and I don't like the fresh one a lot because then you have to keep it in the fridge and it gets spoiled. We threw a few away yesterday because they got spoiled. The next suggestion was lemons, specifically lemonade. So I'll make something out of lemon and mix it in sparkling water or soda and see if it's good enough. I mean, it's regular lemonade, so it's nothing new. I also ordered these bao buns because I actually like them and they're not snack, but they're enough to like make me feel sustained till dinner. It's 7 p.m. right now. Rest is just regular doodh dahi stuff. Last but not the least is this thing. I've never tried it, but I am eager to try it and I have to see exactly how you make it. But this is called Gond Katira. I've never had it before, but I've heard of it and I've seen millions of reels. Basically, you just take a few of these little stones or lumps, whatever, and you add them to water and they swell up. And you can mix it in water or whatever you like to drink and you just consume it. It cools you down instantly. That's what they say. People add it to juices and lemonades and whatever, but I think I'll just have it in plain water. But I'm excited to try this. So, enough about this. I'm just excited to make the bows right now. So, let's make it. I'm not sure what kind of utensil I should use to make it because it's basically made in the same thing where you make momos. So something that can steam it. So I'm just trying to figure out what exactly I can use. I think this plate from the rice cooker can be especially good to keep the bows in and maybe some utensil to heat the water in. क्या लगता है? Figured out the jugaad. This katori so that this thing can be raised, and added water to this pan, and I'll keep my things here. One of them split open, but it's fine. It's just me who's going to eat it. सब चलता है. So I'll let you know how this goes, but I know it'll be bomb. Look, क्या बढ़िया swell up हो गए. Steam, perf. Googly moogly mush. Yum. And after that little paid puja, now I am going to be sitting on the couch and working a bit. And मैं ज़मीन पे इसलिए बैठी हूँ because गर्मी. Couch वगैरह पे बैठने में it's a little too hot for the summers, even though AC is full blast. Whatever. I need to keep my mind cool and my body needs to be cool. Good morning. It's Saturday. I'm going to my parents' house along with Ravish. Right now, he has gone to the salon to get a haircut, and he said that he'll get it really short this time, his haircut. And मुझे तो डर लग रहा है, मैंने मना कर दिया उसको कि ज़्यादा शॉर्ट नहीं करने वाल. बट अपनी मर्जी के मालिक को क्या समझाएं. Let's see how his haircut is once he's home. And then we'll wrap a gift and I'll show you that. I took this video earlier that morning. This is also before shot of him, and this is the after. You can now see Ravish wrapping the gift that we were talking about, and I'll let him do the talking.
पापा जी के लिए टाड़ा, ये है शादी का फोटो. तो हमने करा लिया फ्रेम. तो पापा जी, here's me, here's my wifey, here's mommy जी, this is Naman, my brother-in-law. इसको पेक करते हैं.
Why is it so difficult to buy gifts for men? बहुत सोचना पड़ता है, but I think this was a really thoughtful gift. ये रविश और मैंने साथ में ही सोचा, and I think it will be a nice one जो मेरे पेरेंट्स अपने घर पे लगा सकते हैं. Now you can see me doing my wifely duties, which is getting ready. And सबसे favorite part मेरा यही है of going out, that is getting ready. Now let's put on some jewelry. Do you remember the गोंद कतीरा that I was preparing yesterday? ये काफ़ी अच्छा swell up हो गया overnight. इसको मैंने just cold water and lemon के साथ mix किया and it tasted like nothing, so that was a plus.
गोंद कतीरा, गोंद कतीरा, गोंद कतीरा, गोंद कतीरा, गोंद कतीरा, गोंद कतीरा, गोंद कतीरा.
इसको पता भी नहीं क्या होता है. Let me show you my OOTD, and Ravish is also coordinating with me. OOTD, and this is my bag that I'm carrying today. इसमें कुछ नहीं है सिवाय 200 रुपए के and this lip gloss. We're ready और हम जाने लगे हैं. Gifts are ready. इसमें वो लैपटॉप बैग है जो हमने दिखाया था पहले. This is the photo frame.
चलो जी, चलो रंगीला जी.
Gang gang.
बैंग बैंग. धूप नहीं है, धूप कम है भाई. लाइक फ्रॉम प्रीवियस डेज लग रहा है जैसे बारिश का मौसम बनने वाला है.
फिर से ह्यूमिडिटी हो जाएगी.
यस.
एंड ये गिफ्ट बहुत ही पसंद आया मेरे पेरेंट्स को, एंड उन्होंने ऑलरेडी लोकेशन भी डिसाइड कर ली कि हम कहाँ पे इसको लगाएंगे. आफ्टर दैट वी हैड सम लंच. इट वाज पनीर कड़ी पकौड़ा ऑन माय रिक्वेस्ट, भिंडी ऑन रविश रिक्वेस्ट, It was good, and this was some mango chutney that my mom made. She's explaining to me how she straightened her hair today. उनको tools की guidance मैं देती रहती हूँ. We're going to celebrate my papa's birthday. हमारी फैमिली में केक्स हम रैंडमली भी ऑर्डर करते रहते हैं, तो whenever it's someone's birthday हम और भी ज़्यादा इन्जॉय करते हैं केक कट करना, एंड वी डाइसेक्ट इट, एंड पूरी हम मतलब हिस्ट्री जोग्राफी निकाल लेते हैं उस केक की कि कैसे बना है, ये कौन सी क्रीम है, कौन सा फ्लेवर है. सो वी लव डेजर्ट्स इन माई फैमिली. ओके, एंड एज अ प्रोफेशनल केक डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर मैंने अपनी ड्यूटीज़ कर दी, एंड नाउ आई विल बी हैविंग माई स्लाइस. Over here, I'm just explaining to Naman's friend. मेहंदी जैसा टेस्ट होता है उसका. What matcha is. Apparently, he has no clue. इंटरनेट भरा हुआ है matcha से, but he has no clue what it is. Mandatory Bollywood movies are always a plus.
बेटा, सुकून की तलाश में तू यहाँ आया था. अब तो आ जाएगा. ऐसी जगह जाना, जहाँ लोग ही ना.
I'm having the juiciest piece of son papdi. I was talking about it yesterday and आज मिल भी गई.
बाकी भी चलाती है ना.
Chuale. Now we're going home. Let's go. कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे आप?
कुछ नहीं, बहुत खाया पिया.
हाँ, खाया तो बहुत है.
कोल्ड ड्रिंक पी रहे हैं, उसके ऊपर फिर चाय भी पी रहे हैं. फिर कोल्ड ड्रिंक फिर पी रहे हैं.
यही होता है जब आप घर जाओ.
और फिर
मोमोज भी खाए हैं.
मोमोज खा रहे हैं, पतीसा खा रहे हैं.
एवरी टाइम आई गो टू माई हाउस मैं कुछ ना कुछ अपना सामान उठा के ले आती हूँ इंस्टॉलमेंट्स में. डू यू इवन लिफ्ट ब्रो? सो दिस वाज मी कैरिंग द वेट. गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग. व्हाट्स अप माय पीपल? सो इट्स संडे टुडे एंड वी हैव सम गेस्ट्स कमिंग ओवर. दीज आर Ravish's cousin and his family, and the cousin is also newly married, so we're inviting them for the first time today. And I especially like his wife, who is Komal. Shout out. And we've done all the preps. I haven't done most of the preps, but Ravish and my mom-in-law have prepared a lot of things. I helped, and now we're just waiting for them, and I'm waiting for Ravish to get ready. I'm just doing a little bit of makeup. Having a helping husband is the biggest help. Good husbands exist. Don't settle for less, ladies. Ravish is one of the best cooks that I've come across. He cooks better than a lot of people I know. So, get yourself a man who can cook and help you. Not a man who's a man-child, okay?
उसको निकाल दिया कि तू
मैं वीडियो ले रही थी वैसे. कैसा रहा आज का एक्सपीरियंस? खा के आप तो बिल्कुल ही पड़ गए हैं.
निंदर आ रही, निंदर.
It's almost 8:30 p.m. now and I'm making some adult juice. I think मैं एक parallel universe में शायद bartender थी या होंगी, because I just enjoy measuring, adding new flavors, new things, creating something unique. मुझे लगता है one of the best things about getting married is आप अपनी अपनी चीज़ें अकेले भी कर सकते हैं. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि सेम ही चीज़ें आपको एक साथ करनी हो. Such as I am sitting here enjoying my snacks and little something something, whereas this man is on Netflix या क्या है ये Prime watching some lame show. But it's all good. Me time. And with this, good night to you. And thanks for watching. But remember to subscribe. क्या बोला?
मैं कह रहा हूँ किसी सिर्फ मेरे लिए है।
काट देना ये बोला तूने?
हाँ
गर्ल्स के लिए है ये, फॉर द गर्लीज।
नहीं, यूट्यूब पे ऐसे गर्ल्स नहीं है ना,
ठीक
गर्लास भी है।
पोजेसिव।
काट डालूंगा लड़कों को।
ठीक, बाय बोल दे, बाय।